Dow announced plans to increase ethylene and propylene production in the U.S. Gulf Coast region. Ethylene and propylene are basic building blocks that are used in the majority of Dow's products. To put this plan into action, Dow will increase its cracking capability at some of Dow's U.S. Gulf Coast sites. At Dow sites similar to this one, there will be a new cracker built or modifications made to existing crackers to use more natural gas-based feedstocks. But what is a cracker and what does it look like? How does a cracker work? A cracker is a chemical complex in which gaseous and/or liquid feedstocks are converted, primarily into ethylene, in a process called cracking. A cracker is made up of many different parts, but the furnaces, compressors, and distillation columns are the three main components. Ethane and propane feedstocks first enter into the furnace tubes where they are exposed to heat. The furnaces then heat or crack the feedstocks at extremely high temperatures near 1500 degrees Fahrenheit. The reaction is very brief and lasts only 0.2 of a second. This results in very high gas velocities approaching the speed of sound. Each furnace has a heat output equivalent to about 2,000 home furnaces, and a large cracker can have as many as 10 of these furnaces. After being heated in the furnaces, the larger feedstock molecules are broken up and reformed into smaller molecules, including ethylene, propylene, and other hydrocarbons mixed together. These substances must now be separated. The mixture of gases is moved through a series of distillation columns by very large compressors driven by steam that act like engines. The distillation columns are very tall structures that can reach heights of over 200 feet. The distillation columns are made up of as many as 200 pans or trays which distill or separate the gases. Once distilled, large quantities of co-products like ethylene, propylene, and fuel gas are produced. Once it leaves the columns, the ethylene and propylene are ready to be used to produce value-added downstream Dow products.